It's time once again for The Law and You, featuring attorneys Molly Clark, who is here for Ed Saramboli, and Greg Fellerman. Thank you both for being here today.
Thank you for having us.
Where in the world is Ed Saramboli? That is the question.
That is the question. Yeah, he's dodging out on his duties here at The Law and You, but I'm sure he'll make up for it.
We found out where he is. He's actually in Cambridge speaking at Harvard.
How about that?
That
Very
is.
studious.
That's the God's honest truth.
All right, here's our question tonight for The Law and You, and this is from Teresa in Lewisburg. Teresa says, I fell last month in front of the mall, and I ended up breaking my wrist. The sidewalk at the entrance was a sheet of ice. I am a nurse and haven't been able to return to work. Is there something that I can do? Molly, does Teresa in Lewisburg here have any grounds for a case?
It certainly sounds like Teresa would have grounds for a case. Unfortunately, in northeastern Pennsylvania, with the weather the way it is, slip and falls involving ice and snow are pretty difficult. However, I recently handled a similar situation with a slip and fall, and we were able to recover on behalf of the plaintiff in that case. So what Teresa should do is contact a lawyer and start the process of a claim, and then after that we would go and try to talk to some witnesses, maybe the snow and ice removal company, the store manager, and see what happened on that day. Another important thing that Teresa should think about doing and talk to her lawyer about is doing a preservation letter, so that if there was any surveillance or any footage of the day of the incident and maybe catching her fall, that would also be helpful in proving her claim.
And then we always tell people this too, like when these falls happen, it's important to give notice. So like if you fall, and again, you may not think you're hurt, you need to go in, notify the stores, fill out a report, and then also snap a couple pictures with your camera, because that's what, at the end of the day, if we're standing before a jury, they need to see it's a sheet of ice. You just saying it, and again, if there's no surveillance, like Molly said, it's your job to preserve that, and with those snow and ice cases, that melts, it goes away. So the quicker we have it, the better, the more, if it's right at the same time, kind of makes the case a little easier. So think about that, because they are very prevalent in northeastern PA.
Now, for those that need your legal direction, what's the best way to reach you?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com, or on all of our social media, like
Facebook, Twitter.
All right, Fellerman and Saramboli available wherever you need them. Results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Molly Clark. Thank you both for being here. And don't forget, you can get a question on The Law and You through PAHomepage.com or the Law and You hotline.